Hey everybody, Brian Akins. How's that old remix go? I'm buying swords in Allentown, and this one's not even brown. It's frosty and shiny, it's Yankee steel, and that Ames mark is jamming. And this is one of the best Ames Artillery Officer Swords you're ever gonna see. We got scroll working us, that little bit of beauty there. Old Bronny's got the steel. How about that? This is a super duper rare sword. Original. Look at all that gilt. Original leather, original wire. Not bad for a parking lot party. Well, they say there's girls, there's women, and there's ladies. There's swords, there's artillery swords, and there's Ames Officer Sword. Appreciate you guys. RebelRelics.com.